melakukan berulang kali, bahkan bisa puluhan kali sampai ratusan kali dalam sehari. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Teman-teman, bertemu lagi bersama saya di sini Muhammad Ikhlas di channel Zero to One. Ya. Nah, ini saya hari ini mau kasih lihat kalian ya tentang salah satu inspirasi saya di dunia sales. Namanya itu Grant Cardone. Beliau itu kalau tidak salah seorang investor di properti di Amerika dan terkenal. Juga salah satu pakar sales. Nah, hari saya mau melihat videonya dia ya ngajarin anaknya contacting. Ya, itu sama seperti ketika saya dulu masih bekerja di Pialang. Itu kerjaan kita setiap hari tuh contacting, mengkontak orang, mengatur janji ketemu dan prospek lah sampai bisa orangnya closing. Nah, cek ini videonya. Ini luar biasa banget.
Sabrina Cardone here is 11 years old. I'm going to teach you how to make a sales call. We have a list of people here that were interested in the 10X Growth Conference but have not bought their tickets yet. I want you to call them. Use their first name only.
Okay.
Tell them who you are.
Okay.
My name's Sabrina. I'm Grant Cardone's daughter.
Wow.
Third thing, the reason I'm calling. Use their first name, introduce yourself, and you say the reason I'm calling. The reason I'm calling, number one, John.
John.
2, this is Sabrina Cardone, Grant Cardone's daughter. Is you altitude? Third thing, the reason I'm calling. You just stop a second. The reason I'm calling is I want to know why you haven't bought a 10X Growth Conference seat yet. You got it? Okay, now you might have to leave a message. My name's Sabrina. Call me back. I got to talk to you today. If you had to leave a message.
I'm sorry, the person you were trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up
Yeah,
yet.
what a loser.
Seriously.
Stop it.
Next person, on to the next.
Okay, on to the next.
Hal yang biasa yang kita temui ketika kita contacting ya untuk mencari nasabah atau mengatasi ketemu dengan calon
I'm sorry,
customer.
the person you were trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been
Tony Hopper. You know that? Hey, Tony. This is Sabrina Cardone. Is Tony gonna pick up?
Hope so.
Huh? Me too. You nervous?
No.
Shouldn't be. It's a numbers game.
Can't take your call now. You can leave a message after the tone.
Always leave a message.
When you have finished,
Nice, strong
press the pound
message.
key
Tony,
or
this
just
is
hang
Sabrina.
up. Sorry,
Call me back right now.
cannot receive a message. This mailbox is full.
It's sad, man. That's 3 of those in a row, man. Is this what happens all day long?
909.
This is 3 with a voicemail in setup. Is this what y'all go through all day?
Yeah.
Nah, jadi itu kalau ketika kita melakukan sebuah berada di kantor melakukan contacting, itu kita tidak hanya melakukan sekali dua kali kegiatan telepon, tapi kita melakukan berulang kali, bahkan bisa puluhan kali sampai ratusan kali dalam sehari. Bayangkan itu berapa orang yang kita telepon. Nah, kebanyakan dari orang-orang orang-orang baru itu biasanya mereka ketika disuruh angkat menelpon orang, itu biasanya mereka tremor atau gugup, nervous, gemeteran biasanya. Itu hal yang biasa seperti itu terjadi karena kita belum terbiasa menelpon orang. Apalagi menelpon orang untuk mengajak mereka ketemuan tanpa kita kenal mereka terlebih dahulu, lalu kita menawarkan mereka sebuah produk. Jadi begitu. Nah, semakin sering kita melakukan telepon, semakin terbiasa kita akhirnya. Jadi 3-5 telepon pertama itu yang kita lakukan itu biasanya kita bakalan gugup, gemeteran, kadang kita bingung mau ngomong apa, tapi setelah 5 itu udah terbiasa semua karena skrip yang ada kita sudah siapkan itu sudah masuk di kepala kita. Lanjut.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
First thing, Sabrina, you just keep dialing, okay? Like, notice how little time I'm wasting in between. It's a numbers game, champ. What is it?
Willie.
It's a numbers game. Look at the camera. What is it?
A numbers game.
I mean, if that's what we do all day long.
No one's available to take your call right now. If you know your party's extension,
Son,
dial
I
now.
want you to call me
Sonny,
back.
push 1. From Patrick, push 2.
Sonny. Hey, Sonny. Sonny, thank you for the sunshine that you bring.
Santai sekali. Di belakang telepon tuh orang santai saja, nggak perlu gugup, nggak perlu bingung.
Hi, you reached the desk of Sonny. Please leave your name, number, and
Sonny,
message,
this
and I'll
is
get right back to you
Sabrina.
as soon as possible.
Call me
Thank you.
back right now. What's your number? What's
At the tone, press pound.
Call me back at this number. That's all.
Sunny, this is Sabrina. Call me back. Thank you.
Okay, a little faster.
I'm so sorry.
A little fast. Next time it needs to be, hey Sonny.
Look, and the phone
this is
number's
Sabrina
there.
Ini
Cardone.
fungsinya Green Cardone
I
memberikan
need you to call me
semangat
back.
atau
Ricky,
Very
Ricky.
important.
membangkitkan
Ricky.
percaya diri
Please
anaknya
leave your
untuk
message
telepon.
for 9493.
Keep going, keep going.
7383.
Hello, Ricky. This is Sabrina. Sabrina Cardone. Grant Cardone's daughter. Call me back when you have the chance. Thank you. At this number.
All right, keep going.
You can slow down a little bit, okay? On your pitch, slow down. Get the communication in solid. Get it solid. Say, hey Ricky, Sabrina Cardone here. Grant Cardone's daughter.
Nah, di sini Green Cardone mengajarkan bahwa ketika kita menelpon, ya, ketika kita mengangkat telepon, kita menghubungi orang, itu tone kita menentukan, ya, tone kita menentukan. Jika kita dari awal kita solid atau kita itu percaya diri menelpon orang, itu bisa dirasakan sama orang yang menjadi lawan bicara kita di telepon itu tadi. Nah, itu makanya kenapa sering banget disarankan ketika kita menelpon untuk mengatur janjian atau menawarkan sebuah produk, itu kita tuh harus tersenyum di belakang telepon. Jadi kita senyum, Pak, iya Pak, begini bla 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 bla. Itu harus senyum, betul-betul senyum, karena itu bisa mempengaruhi tone kita, itu bisa mempengaruhi perasaan kita ketika menelpon seseorang. Nah, jika perasaan kita saat itu bahagia, perasaan kita saat itu baik, ya, dan itu kita tersenyum, itu bisa terbawa tone nada kita sama suasana hati kita ketika kita melakukan panggilan telepon itu tadi, dan itu bisa berakibat bisa menaikkan tingkat konversi atau orang itu mau ketemu atau membeli produk kita atau tidak.
I need you to call me back at this number. Like boom, boom, boom. You see paste? Okay. Thank you. Call me. Adiosi.
Nadanya.
Hello, it's Sabrina Cardone.
Tone.
Grant Cardone's daughter. The reason I'm calling is I wanted to know why you haven't gotten a GrowthCon 5 ticket.
Because I'm a slouch, Sabrina. I'm a slouch. I didn't even know you guys were hosting a GrowthCon 5.
For sure.
Oh, we are for sure.
We want you.
Really?
And we want you there. We want you there.
So where do I get more information? I mean, I'm closed. You closed me. I'm closed.
Oh, that's wonderful.
$1,000.
It's $1,000.
Okay, that's it.
Only 2,000 cents.
There's only 2,000 seats.
Where's it hosted at?
Miami.
I'm so there. I was at GrowthCon 3.
Can we count it?
Can we count on you?
Absolutely. Can you email me the information?
Yes, we can. What's your email?
My email is my name, so it's
We have $1,000, a $5,000, and $10,000. Which one do you want?
We have a $1,000, a $5,000, and a $10,000 seat. Which one do you want?
awesome. What do you got? Do you guys have VIP?
Yes.
VIP.
Yes.
Yes, we do. That's 5,000.
Yeah, definitely. Send that over. Let me look at it. And when is it?
March
When
12th.
are we coming down there?
March 12th.
February?
March 12th.
So we're going to be 2,000 people there.
Only going to be 2,000 people there.
Beautiful. Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Send over the information. You're awesome. And tell your dad he's a beast.
Thank you.
Closing.
Okay, now,
Telepon
see, that's
closing.
how it works. Okay, you had to go through 10 calls. You did awesome, dude. You had to go through 10 calls to get one person to even answer the phone. He's so happy that you called him, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you used my name that gave you altitude. You got to work on the voice, keep the voice up. You got to, you're going to get better at it, right?
Yeah.
Is it a little nervous?
Yeah.
Nerve-wracking? Okay, what'd you learn? You want to tell the
Nah, ini tadi barusan si Grant Cardone mengatakan, menyebutkan namanya, ya. Sabrina si anaknya Grant Cardone ini menyebutkan dia adalah anaknya Grant Cardone ketika dia menelpon, itu memberikan dia sebuah rasa percaya diri, ya.
Cameron, what you learned?
I learned how to make a call.
You still haven't closed the deal though,
No, not yet. We need to send the email.
because you don't even know the product, right?
I don't even
You don't
know
know the product. You don't know the date,
Okay.
but you made the call.
I made the call.
How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
If you can do it,
Wow.
Anyone can do it.
come on, folks. Let's go. Make the call. Dial. Hit it. Stick it. Bang it. Jang it. Make the
fling
call. And then you know what? You got to start figuring out how to talk to people. Are you going to get more and more comfortable as you do this?
Probably.
Then do another one.
Okay, I will.
Good idea. Teach them young.
Wow, itu luar biasa dari Grant Cardone. Jadi dia tadi mengatakan bahwa ayo start telepon, start kalian menghubungi orang, start memberikan penawaran kepada orang-orang biar kalian segera closing, biar bisa kalian segera jalan. Nah, kalau kalian ingin bisa kalian jalan, segera kalian jalankan, telepon orang, hubungi orang, kasih orang-orang penawaran. Ya. Kita tidak akan bisa melakukan sebuah closing tanpa sebuah penawaran kepada orang lain. Jadi ya, silakan kalian melakukan penawaran-penawaran kalian. Kalau kalian mau jualan apapun, tetap harus kalian memberikan penawaran kepada orang-orang, berikan penawaran kepada seluas-luasnya masyarakat dan orang-orang. Dari 100 yang kita telepon, kita tidak tahu telepon keberapa yang ngasih kita keberhasilan. Oke, segitu dulu teman-teman. Semoga video ini bermanfaat. Kalau kalian pengen lihat video aslinya, silahkan saya kasih linknya di bawah ya, di Grant Cardone tadi. Jadi itu bisa memotivasi kalian untuk bisa lebih aktif lagi untuk contacting, lebih aktif lagi untuk berjualan, lebih aktif lagi untuk menawarkan produk-produk yang kalian jual. Ya, entah itu telepon atau bagaimana. Jadi kalian bisa belajar dari situ bagaimana caranya orang-orang sales terhebat yang berada di belakang telepon itu, mereka bisa melakukannya seperti apa. Nah, seperti itulah kondisinya. Segitu dulu saya teman-teman, Muhammad Ikhlas. Semoga video ini bermanfaat untuk kalian. Jika kalian merasa ada manfaatnya, silahkan share ke teman-temannya, share ke sosial media kalian. Dan jika kalian suka video ini, silahkan like dan dislike video ini kalau kalian tidak suka. Oke? Terima kasih. Segitu dari saya, Muhammad Ikhlas di sini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.